Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to personalize the Dollar Tree sunglasses case. So let's get started. The first thing you do is open Cricut Design Space, and I went ahead and am writing sunglasses on mine, and you'll click attach and make it, and that's that easy. So then we are going to use an iron-on, so you'll want to make sure to mirror the image. And then I just go ahead and I click on continue, and I'm using glitter HTV. So I'm going to browse the material for the glitter HTV vinyl, and then we're going to go ahead and load the mat and cut it. But very importantly, to make sure you mirror the image, and then when you place the HTV vinyl down on the mat, the shiny side goes down. So then we'll go ahead, we'll cut it, and then we're going to weed it when it's done. And next is we'll just go ahead and iron it onto the sunglasses case. It's the easiest project. So I went ahead and I just applied the vinyl on the sunglasses case, and I used Teflon over it. I used the Cricut Mini Press on low, and I just pressed firmly over the vinyl for about 30 seconds, and that was it, guys. So easy. So, and it's so cute too to have personalized things. So I hope you enjoyed this quick, fast tutorial, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.